What's up, team? Good morning, guys. Let me drink my tea real quick, you know. Alright, so alright, guys. Alright, this is the top watch on my list today. XTNT, gapping up from 82 cents all the way up to 160s. Pretty big move here from almost 100%, or a little bit over 100%, really. Yeah, sorry guys, I'm not really feeling that good. I'm a little bit sick today. I think I caught what my son has. I kind of slept all day yesterday, but I'm up this morning, you know, and the show must go on, as they say, you know. And so we're here trying to do it. But yeah, we got XTNT gapping up here. Hopefully my trader to be is gonna work today. Yesterday it didn't work. The good news is, though, I got a bunch of equity. I'm not going to show you guys how much equity I actually have in my account, but I could show you guys my buying power for today, which isn't bad. I mean, it's enough to trade with. This is what my buying power, hold on, let me show you guys this. Let's make it a 2-second delay. Alright. This is my buying power right now, which isn't really that bad, you know. I got about 3K, maybe a little bit over 3K, 3,150 bucks basically. But yeah, that's my buying power today. It's decent. We're gonna be adding another few thousand to this. Now that's not the equity I have in my account, because I have more equity than that. But I do have that is what has cleared today for me to trade, so it's enough. You know, even regardless of what trader to be does, we'll still have that. You know. Yeah. Hi. What's up, man? That's cool. Yeah, maybe. Maybe we should all just play poker. So maybe so, man. You know, maybe so. Alright, but yeah, we're watching WWR. We're watching XTNT today. We're watching NNOX, which is a larger stock. We're watching DPW. Watching IDT. CODX. VXRT. HUSA, which I believe is an oil stock. Energy stock, maybe. ADIL. So, I mean, we got some stuff. It's not the most exciting day, but it is a Friday, guys. Hey, look, we got APT, which is Alpha Protect. The big news today, guys, I don't know if anybody caught this, but the big news today is that Trump tested positive for COVID, and the market is down. Or futures were at least futures were down. I honestly haven't looked at the market yet. And yeah, the market tanked. So Trump tested positive for COVID, and naturally the market's going to tank with that, is what the deal is with the market right now. So we'll see what happens, but that is supposedly what's going to happen. Yeah. So be careful, team, because market could head down today. I'm going to try to short mostly. Please let me on, Haywood. Please let me on, man. I just want to trade today. If it doesn't work today, I don't know what I'm gonna do, man. It doesn't look like it's working though today, man. Come on, just once today. I'm gonna try connecting to my Wi-Fi up here. See, maybe if connecting to my Wi-Fi will make this connect, because my Toro account is still not working. Oh man, yeah, it's still not working, man. Weird. It's got to be something on my end. What's up, Trader T? What's up, Mac? What's up, Rob? Yeah, for sure. It might disconnect OBS for a second when I try to do this, guys, so bear with me. We're going to connect to our Wi-Fi too while running the Ethernet cord and see if this works. Alright, so we are connected. Now let's try to log in. Come on, man. Is it seriously not gonna work today too? Like it's just not gonna work today? Put the mic down. Alright, pins tested negative, that's good. Yeah, it ain't working, man. I can check my let me look. Let me make sure this thing ain't working. Let me make sure Nord's not running. Remind me later. Nah, it's not even signed into Nord. Like, I'm not even on Nord right now. You know? My subscription has come to an end. Nah, bro, y'all charged me, dude. Nah, Nord. Y'all straight up charged me. I saw you guys charge me. Where'd it charge me at? Nord trying to be sketchy over here. I see you. I know it charged me too. I saw it. Alright, well, I'm gonna be super frustrated if it doesn't let me. Disconnect from our Wi-Fi. Alright, we disconnected. Let's try it now. I wonder if it lets me go back to like an older version, if it'll like actually let me. Yeah, dude, it straight up charged me. Nord, what are you thinking, bro? Maybe it's what other VPNs do I have on this computer? Let's turn the VPNs off. I don't know why it won't work, man. Weird. Windows firewall, let me check. No, do not show them that. Yeah. Let me try to allow an app through the firewall. Let me find it. Haywood. Sorry guys, forgive me for 1 second. There we go. Let's add that. This is called trading. Okay, so I changed it to where alright, but yeah, the SPY is tanking after COVID, after Trump tested positive for COVID. We also have XTNT moving a little bit this morning on this Friday. XTNT, we got DPW, which is a crypto-related stock, gapping up from 198 to 245. We got IDT, we got CODX, we got JHG, AGO, HUSA, which I believe is an oil stock, GALT, ADIL, we got IBIO, we got VXRT, and that's really about it. We'll look up the news for these in a minute here, but that's about all I'm seeing right now. XTNT is my favorite watch. Let's go ahead and look up the catalyst while we're waiting here. Man, it's still not connecting, dude. I wonder if there's a way for me to I wonder if there's a way for me to go back to the old version of Haywood Trader, and like if it'll let me log into the older version. Let me see. Let me reach out to those people. Cause like this is weird, bro. It should be letting me work. Nah, I'm allowed to use this in the U.S. This is the Toro challenge, so it allows me to use it in the U.S. Yeah, I think it's on their end, man. Hold on, let me check. It's got to be on their end. Let me see. What's up, team? All right, so let's look up the catalyst. I'm talking to them now about this. XTNT is up. First of all, even if we're trading penny stocks some today, guys, you do want to understand the overall market today. So before I go into this penny stock XTNT here, we want to understand what's going on in the normal market right now. And what's going on is that Trump tested positive for COVID-19. And Melania Trump both tested positive for COVID. The new stimulus package is still undetermined. Oil prices are down. Global and Brent crude with U.S. West Texas Intermediate all down 4%, pressured by the increasing output in Libya and a weak demand outlook amid the rising coronavirus cases. At 8:30, data was expected to show 850K rise in non-farm payrolls for September. Unemployment rate is dropping to 8.2% from 8.4% last month. At 10 a.m., we're supposed to see the consumer sentiment coming in at 79 for the final reading for September from 78.9 in the prelim reading. That's basically what we're getting, but again, you can see the SPY itself, the market is down because Trump tested positive for COVID. We're going to watch this one. You know, a lot of people are going to have stops set in that are going to trigger at the opening bell. I know somebody else mentioned that as well, and I think that's good thinking. I think that's logical thinking, and so let's see if the market continues to tank at the opening bell. I wish I could trade on the Toro challenge, but I could still trade some penny stocks. We'll see. XTNT is up after they posted about a debt restructuring deal. The primary purpose of this was to improve their capital structure by reducing its outstanding debt, and they said they expect that it will facilitate future access to capital markets and regain compliance with the New York Stock Exchange. So we'll see what happens with XTNT with debt restructuring is the reason this one's up about 100% from 82 cents all the way to $1.92, more than 100%. Last time I looked at it, it was at 160s, 165, so that was almost exactly 100%. But now it's up to 187, so it's up over 100%. Now we'll see what happens here. But that's the deal for the XTNT debt restructuring for that one. We also have DPW. Crypto stock, I believe, if I remember correctly, for this one. This one ran a long time ago. DPW reported Coolesys Power Electronics Unit announced a new hybrid AC/DC electric vehicle charger. So now it's an EV play. Yeah, so they're considering launching a subscription rights offering. That came out on the 28th, so about 3 days ago. And this morning they announced that their power electronics business, Coolesys Tech, is introducing a new hybrid alternating current AC and direct current DC electric vehicle EV charger. So that's the news. It's a new product launch for an EV charging station thing for DPW. See what happens there. We also have IDT. Gap it up from 680s to 840s here for IDT. This one, I don't really like the volume for it. I mean, we could look up the news, but it's alright. We got CODX moving here from 1290s. This is Co-Diagnostics, and they said that their oral rinse collection received emergency use authorization for COVID testing for CODX. So we'll see what happens there. We also have a few other ones like GALT. IBIO, we're looking at PAC B as well, but IBIO is gapping up. This one looks like a larger float. What's the float? Yeah, the float is 166 million for IBIO, so it might be a slow mover, but it is gapping up some. And the reason IBIO is gapping up is because they're working with Safi Biosolutions to evaluate key proteins to be used for cell therapy products. So that's the news for IBIO. Again, they are working with Safi Biosolutions to evaluate key proteins to be used for cell therapy products. And they are gapping up from 205 to 220s. Small gap up, but relative to the float, it's not that unusual. I mean, it's a large float. I mean, coming in at over 100k float, 166 million, I'm sorry, float. So a fairly large float relative to most of these other penny stocks. And so it's worth a watch here as well with it, but we'll see what happens today. It's Friday, be careful. Market's usually a little bit duller on Friday, so we'll see. Alright, well, I wish there was a web-based platform for Haywood. Let me see. Yep. Wait, what? Did you send them up here? Alright, hold on. Alright. Hey, bro, get in here, man. You're supposed to hang out in here with me while your mom's gone. What's up, bro? Here, get on that couch. Watch out, don't spill that. Yeah, just sit in here. Go get your Switch or your iPad or something. Just sit on that bed, man. Here, no. We're not playing right now, bro. All my computers set up over here. You start playing over there, you're gonna disconnect it, dude. Go get your iPad and just chill here until your mom gets back. She's gonna be back in like 5 to 10 minutes, dude, okay? Alright, I love you, buddy, but yeah. Alright. What's up, Richard? What's up, Supa? Yeah, DPW's got a float of 8 million. XTNT's got a float of 12 million. So those are my top 2 watches, obviously. I mean, we got a few other things here. We got like DPW, we got XTNT, and then we got ADIL kind of here. Low volume gap up. OAS again. I got a few other ones on my other list here, but none of them really look good. What? Why is this? There we go. Yeah, like on my other list, we got SRNE. SRNE's gapping up a little bit. We got OAS gapping up a little bit. We got VXRT gapping up a little bit. We got, yeah, that's about it. SRNE. So we're watching stuff. We'll see what we get. I trade pre-market sometimes. Kind of looking at the API for Haywood, but yeah, we're gonna try downloading the Haywood platform again and see if that works. What's up, We Are Not Equal? Yeah, we're watching SRNE, and we can look at this one to see if it has a catalyst right now. This is Sorrento Therapeutics. This one started to pop off yesterday. They filed to sell 1. What? They filed to sell 1.83 million shares of common stock yesterday. So that's the deal with SRNE. I don't really see anything else. We got NBY that's kind of showing up here on the list right now. NBY, and we can watch this one to see if we get anything from it, but hey, what's up, James? What's up, bro? Hey, y'all hit that like button if you want to do me a favor. Smash that like button, hit the subscribe button. I'm slacking on our Discord this morning. Yeah, we're watching XTNT. Yeah, XTNT is my favorite. I mean, it's testing these highs here. It's a very small float at 12 million, so we're going to watch it over $2. Obviously, over $2. We got this 209 pre-market. Sorry, I got the hiccups. We got this 209 pre-market high up there. That's what we're going to pay attention to as well. Yeah, I can't get in touch with anybody either. Alright, buddy, there's your mom, okay? Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Hey, can you go tell your mom to bring me my laptop? Just say, hey, Daddy wants you to bring him his laptop upstairs. Ask her if she can do that for me. Can you do that for me? You know how to do that. Hey, bro, I'm gonna make you put that game up. I'm gonna take that game away for an hour. Go ask her. Thank you, buddy. Hey, I appreciate the sub, Lars, Clark, Christian. Y'all hit that subscribe button if y'all haven't already. We do this live for free every day. XTNT starting to move up to $2. So yeah, we're watching that. Keeping an eye on XTNT here. Yeah, it's kind of their fluff piece, Mitch. We'll see what happens with that, brother, but kind of sounds like a little bit of a fluff piece. We got LO&E. Somebody else is talking about LO&E. AHT. LO&E actually looks really good, so I'll watch that one. I believe it's an oil stock, and then recently we've had AHT start to pop off here. AHT, rip up. Hey, I appreciate the sub, Monster. Welcome to the team, bro. Welcome, brother. Yeah, I can't connect to Haywood, man. I can't get my clock up. I usually have a clock that tells me all this stuff, but I can't. But yeah, AHT recently ripped up here, and this is Ashford Hospitality Trust. Let's go ahead and look at the catalyst for this AHT. So Cygnus Capital said AHT has loan forbearance or modification agreement in place for 61 properties representing approximately 69% of its current outstanding mortgage debt balance, and that recent forbearance agreements at Ashford Hospitality Trust, the newly released data shows the hospitality industry conditions are improving, and they reinforce Cygnus Capital Incorporated's view that AHT's highly dilutive exchange offers are premature. So we'll see what happens with AHT here. It is gapping up some hospitality stock. So we'll see what happens here. Whatever happened to the SPAC ETF here, SPAK? It had its first day yesterday, and it went up some from it. Not a huge amount, but we did move up for this one. So really, my main watches are XTNT, AHT, DPW, and LO&E. or my 4 or 5 main watches. We'll see what happens with some of these. LONE is up. This is an oil-related stock this time. PCSA. That one looks boring, bro. Yeah, it's not moving at all. Maybe it picks up some volume, but not my style. But yeah, right now we got AHT pulling back to this $2 level. I think looks interesting right here at $2 for AHT. Hey, can you bring me my laptop? My laptop, it's right next to my bed on my dresser. Next to my bed. Sorry, I gotta get my laptop. Alright. Alright guys, let's do this. So what else do we have today? We got ADL looking up here. We got NBY, which doesn't look that bad, but my main watch is XTNT, AHT, IDT. Or no, IDT's not one of those. I retract that. DPW, AHT, and XTNT are my main watches. Now I can day trade probably. I'll probably be able to day trade, I don't know, 5 times today maybe. Maybe more, maybe less. It just depends on what kind of sizing I feel like taking with some of these. Thank you. I got this Lenovo Legion, guys. Laptop. I know I'm coming. Alright. Let's see if Haywood works here. Oh wait, can you bring me the charger for it? I mean... yeah, it's at 100%, it's fine. I got one of those new Lenovo Legion laptops. Check out this bad boy, man. I don't play computer games, but there's something about gaming laptops that are just super dope, and yeah. I play poker on them, so I might as well play games on them, right? Let me try to log into Haywood and see if it connects. See, I wish I had the stuff on my laptop. On my laptop, I have like a VM. I have the Oracle VM Virtual Box. I've got Kali Linux virtual machines I could try. I got all that stuff. Alright, but yeah, if it doesn't work here, then it's problems with Haywood. And I think that's what it is. Yeah, it ain't working on my end either. So this is the platform. This is their platform. Yeah, this is their platform. I just tried to log on to my laptop and my laptop didn't work. So this is the platform they have. That's what's going on with this. They're saying Trump doesn't need to isolate. Yeah, that's ridiculous. Yeah, we'll see about DPW. I'm watching it. I think the line in the sand for DPW is 240 right here. I think 240. It breaks underneath that. I like this 250 level as well. Kind of the range in between there. But it's a little bit too tight, and we'll see what happens. Recently on the gap scanner, we got TNAV showing up. TNAV is ripping up here. Look at TNAV. Just got a big push here. It's at 450 now. The float is 36.5 million for TNAV. But yeah, this is the platform. Nah, I mean, listen, if I can't log on to Haywood for 2 days, that's fine. Like, the reality is, with Haywood platform, it's not an investing or a swing trading platform. They don't even allow you to invest or swing trade on there. It's purely for day trading. And so with that, it's not like I'm stuck in a position right now on Haywood. Nobody is. So even if this is happening to multiple people, nobody's stuck in a position because they're not allowed to invest or swing trade. It's just day trading, and there's no pre-market or anything like that. And so if it doesn't work for 2 days, it's not the end of the world. It's not like I'm just going to leave them, because I still think the odds and benefits of using the Haywood platform with the Toro Challenge specifically is well worth it. But it's inconvenient, you know. But that's about it. You know what I mean? I'm looking for other gappers here. I don't really see much. Still watching AHT here, and it's right around $2, so we can watch that. Pull it up over $2 here, so we'll see if it holds this $2 level. Bro, your fingers are fast. Yeah, I'm a programmer, man, so like I type fast, bro. You have to, you know. But yeah, I do web development, so I type fast. Yeah, DPW never holds its gains. If we look at the longer term chart for like DPW, it just never ever holds these. So it just never stays steady and actually holds these wins and these pops for it. So, you know, it is what it is. I mean, what's up, Flash? What's up, bro? I see you moving up in Trader Mike's chat room, bro. You're a mod now, dude. Welcome to the team, bro. You know, us mods, we have our own clique. You know, we're the coolest kids around in that chat room, man. My son's feeling alright. He's still not at school. He ran a low-grade fever yesterday. So we still didn't send him to school today. We're just going to let him rest over the weekend. But it's nothing too crazy. Close the login page. Open it again. Yeah, I'm trying to work with them to get this connected today, but it's still not working. What's up, Clark? Lightspeed. What's up, Mike? What's up? Nope. Nothing again, man. Damn. Yeah, we're gonna watch it and see. Yeah, they're basically saying I'm SOL. Man, I don't know what to do here. RKD. Yeah, I'm still waiting here. We got NNOX here. We also have AHT that is still pushing up, or I thought it was pushing up, but it never held $2. So we can trade today, Mike. Yeah, Haywood is what they use for the funded account program with the Toro Challenge, to where it's a challenge account, so they give you $1,500 and or they give you a $1,500 challenge account. If you can hit They give you 25K with the challenge account. If you can make $1,500 in profit, they refund you your subscription, and they fund you 25K with the profit split. And I think it's a good deal because I think it teaches new traders how to follow rules, which I think is really important, especially in the beginning, because let's be honest here, new traders just don't have any rules set for themselves. They just kind of blindly, oh, that looks pretty, and they jump in and they lose, right? And if you're an experienced trader, it's an easy way to get funded. So, you know. And like I said, I would be a little bit more upset, but in the end, like, they don't allow swing trading or investing, and so it's not like I'm stuck in a position. And I think it's still a solid deal. You know what I mean? And like, if I can't trade for a day or two, it's not the end of the world. You know what I mean? It's not a swing trading or a day or an investing platform, so it's not like I'm just stuck in a position, which would be terrible if I was today, but I'm not. So you know, it is what it is. Every platform has issues, so I'm reasonable about it. What's up, legit? I don't think so, Kevin. No, you don't. They refund you your subscription once you actually are funded. If you want to check it out, here's the link. You can get 10% off. It is an affiliate link, but you can get 10% off if you go through it and use my promo code London10. There's a link right there if you want to check it out. But yeah, I'm trying to connect, but buy HYLN, and I think it actually works on my phone, and so what I might have to do is just trade on my phone today. You know, maybe I can record it. I do have a screen recorder on my phone and do like a smartphone review or something. HYLN. I don't know about HYLN. Isn't this? Yeah, highly. There's a lot of hype about HYLN. I don't know if you should buy it or not. It's not. I'm not one of those guys that are like, yeah, buy this now. You know, because like, I'm not pumping stuff up. But this is an EV play. It completed its business combination with Tortoise acquisition. There's approved merger. Yeah, I mean, you could. I don't know. We'll see. You know, I'm more of a reactive trader instead of a predictive one, if that makes sense. I like to just react to what the market does and not try to predict it, because predicting it makes you stay too rigid, and you know, I think you got to be a little bit more flexible. Yeah, we got 15 minutes before the bell hits, guys. Let's say I paid the annual plan and I got the funded, so they refund me the annual plan I paid. You gotta ask them, brother, you know. Honestly, I haven't been funded yet, and I'm still trying to get funded. And I don't mind trying it a few times. I mean, most people are not going to just get funded their first time. For most people, it's going to take multiple times trying to, because I had to learn the way to do it. Like, there's a few different strategies you can implement when you're trying to get funded, and I think you got to take it slow and try to figure out the right way first. And I think that's going to take a little bit of time. I've only used them for like a month and a half now. Yeah, XTNT, we're watching it. $2 is an interesting level, so if it breaks, it's been a really good week for penny stocks, though. Like, trading penny stocks, I've only lost one time this week, or I've only had one losing day this week, I should say. So yeah, penny stocks have been killing it this week. It feels good too after a tough week last week, but this week it's been a very green week in penny stocks. Hey, I appreciate the sub, Daniela. Welcome to the team. I appreciate that. Welcome. All right, let's do this, guys. Yeah, we're gonna watch it. 209. I don't hate it. We're just gonna have to wait and see, though. It's like the morning song. I've dubbed this. Do you mostly short or go long? I do a little bit of everything, man. What? What? Yeah, jobs report was decent. We're down from previous. I don't think I'm using a VPN. Let me delete Nord, man. Here's Nord. Nah, it's alright. All I gotta do to overpower the haters. There's XTNT pushing up over 211s, pushing up over 209, the pre-market high. So we broke that pre-market high. Here's that level right here. Alright, there's up 214s for XTNT. I think so, but you gotta ask them. Can you pronounce the name of your recent subscribers? Yeah, I could try to. Forgive me if I butcher this, but I could try to. Usually, if it's something I can't pronounce, I'm gonna tread lightly and just kind of give them like an initial. Like I'm gonna call MT. Appreciate the sub, MT. Daniela, appreciate the sub. Monster, appreciate the sub. I appreciate all the love, guys. Y'all hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Click the like button too. Let's do this. What's up, Jesse? What's up, man? Alright, so we're watching XTNT here to see if it holds at 209. Hey, everybody's here for the music, bro. You know? Hey, yeah, we got 340 people in here. Hit that like button, scrubs. That's right. You know you want to. Everybody's doing it. What's up, Austin? What's up, man? Alright, guys, we got 7 minutes left. Let's do this. Hey, there you go. Check my firewall settings. Yeah, right. Don't do it. Don't listen to We Are. I mean, hey, we'll see what happens here. I want to see if it holds at 2. Like, that's all I really care about. You know? Which one, Mike? Hey, I can't get a... The time clock is there. I can't... I can get a different clock. I got you. I'll get a different clock. That'll be easier. The time clock came from my Haywood platform, and Haywood's not working the last 2 days, so I'm going to have to use it on my phone. Yeah, it's easy to overpower the haters, guys. Like I said, all I gotta do is say, hit the like button, guys. You know you want to. Everybody's doing it. The cool kids are doing it. All you cool cat and kittens, is that right? Hit the like button right now. You know you want to. Everybody's doing it. The popular kids are doing it. The cool kids, you know you want to. Just try it one time. Hit the like button. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. It's just really easy to overpower the haters, because all I gotta do is say that one time. We should break 100 before the bell. I don't know, Howie. I don't know, man. No clock? I'm out of here. Alright, Vinny. I know you're just joking, bro. Let me see if I can get a time clock. Let's see. Free online clock is what I want. That's what I'm gonna do. I wish there was a way I could undo this, but that's cool. Alright, guys, we got 4 minutes. Let's do this. I know, bro. Oh, he was certainly fed to the Tigers, bro. 100%, dude. Of course he was. It's too big, though, man. I'm trying to set this new clock here, but it's just too big. It's kind of close. This is the best I could do right now, man. I mean, we could throw this thing up there, but it's too big. I gotta find a different one. Alright, there, XTNT still rip it up. Still squeezing. Trying to get you guys a clock. Everybody wants a clock? I got you. Does that work? There we go, guys. Let me know if you like that, if that works. That's the closest I can get. You're welcome, by the way. You know, working hard, slaving away for you guys, man. Alright guys, we got 1 minute left. Let's do this. Get out of here. There we go. This will have to work. This is what we're gonna do, you know. Alright guys, XTNT. Oh no. Alright guys. Hey, we got, like, not that long. Hey, we got over 400 people in here, guys. Hit that like button. Hey, I appreciate it, Aaron. Thank you, sir. Alright, guys, let's do this. There's the bell. Alright, huge rip in XTNT, man. This thing is up to 240s. Hey, huge rips. Squeezes. I'm watching this one, but a huge rejection there for XTNT. Alright, I'm watching DPW now, honestly. DPW looks a little bit better for the crossover play. We're gonna watch this. IDT, guys, look at IDT. Hammering up. CODX is ripping up too. Alright, FET is the only thing showing up on the scanners. FET. HUSA, maybe. FET pushing up big. Look at CEMI, guys. Alright, we're about to get the crossover here. We get a pullback down to 5. I'll jump in this one with a few hundred shares, but we need the pullback. There's the crossover. We need a little pullback to get into this one. We got the crossover there for CEMI. It's a little bit too late though. We need a pullback. There's 14s. We're gonna jump in with 100 shares here. Just 100 shares. We're gonna add to it if we get anything reasonable to add to it here. See if we get the pullback. There's 14s. 12s. 8s. 3s. Ooh, that's not good. Luckily, it's just 100 shares. We're going to let $5 be our risk. Alright, there's 7s. 9s. Okay. 8s. What else we got, guys? What is XTNT doing? Six. We're only in with 100 shares, so it's a pretty small trade. We just want to see this thing pop up over 515s. We'll add to it if it does. There's 9s. CODX ripped up to 1470s and then pulled back. Alright, let's see if we get a rip here. There's 9s. Come on. Are we lagging here on Thinkorswim? Because all I see is 9 on the ask, and I'm seeing it jump around to 6 and all this other weird stuff. 10s. We are lagging effectively on Thinkorswim. That's what this is. We are lagging. Come on, man. Thinkorswim, get your stuff together, bro. Why can't... There's 9s. I'm watching the level 2. That's all I could really watch. 6, 5s. 8s again. I don't mind this little move, though. What did XTNT end up doing? Pull it back. Alright. 7s. 5s. Alright, so we are back up. Holding this, we are getting some selling or some buying pressure coming in, which is good. I'm trying to think if I want to add to this one, but we need the momentum on the way up. DPW is starting to reverse here. I don't want to miss this type of move too if we get it, because this looks like a really good crossover for DPW. So I really like this for DPW here too. Probably about to get out it. Okay, no, we're still good here. There's 8s. Alright, so we're waiting for this here for CEMI. LONE showing up on the scanners here too. LONE. Alright, we're looking better here. It looks like a VWAP bounce is what this looks like, but I'm trying to be patient with it just in case we just hammer down here. HUSA is starting to rip up. I'm still watching AHPI here, but this is, man, this is frustrating because it's like I'm sitting here trying to be patient with this trade. I wanted to add to it. Right, there's 10s. CODX ripped up and broke high. CODX is probably one of the better looking ones right now. DPW ain't ripping. I'm liking this. We're gonna add to it here. We're in with 200 shares here. Alright, let's see if we get the high of the daybreak. I'm in with 200 shares. 12s, 13s, looks good. 14s, nice. 15s, okay. Nice. 17s, 18s. Alright, we just got out of half of that one. We caught the rip. 16s, 18s. Yeah, you gotta scalp penny stocks, man. I'm starting to learn it as time goes by, but... Alright, huge rip up and then a big squeeze down. We got the crossover, though, early this morning. Luckily, it's not going to be a losing trade, but it's just... These things never hold, which is why you gotta scalp them. ADIL, guys. Look at ADIL. ADIL actually looks really good. Look at that wick, man. I guess everybody else is selling into that pressure, I guess. Oh, come on, man. Nothing can hold. I guess it is a Friday. We got a 3-bar play on CODX. IDT starting to squeeze. I'm gonna hold this one break even, I guess, man. I'm kind of frustrated because it started to squeeze up, looked really strong, got a ton of volume, and then just crashed on me. I'm still looking at IDT here, and CODX kind of looks like a 3-bar play. You guys got to remember, it's Friday. We're gonna have some slow moves today, and that's all right, you know. Yeah, I mean, we're all right. I mean, I'm gonna get out break even on this one if I need to. It's been a really green week. I'm not gonna risk it and try to push too hard today on a Friday. VXRT is squeezing up though. Yeah, we're not. All right, we got out for a small green day there. We're all right. Hey, I appreciate the sub, Kenyon. Welcome, bro. Appreciate that, man. On the scanners, we got VIRC. Nothing. IDT looks okay. SYN. SYN. I don't hate this little pullback, but it's a bottom bounce, so we got to be careful with that, I think. The one that honestly looks the best right now is CODX. CODX, nice little 3-bar plays in the middle here. I like this support level at 1475, and I think it'll probably keep going up. It's just really expensive. It's just super expensive, unfortunately, so it's like, I don't know if I feel like messing with that right now. Well, I mean, we'll see, you know what I mean, but... AMTX. AMTX just broke over the previous closing price and it's starting to rip. But nothing's really holding, I mean. We'll see what happens here, but I'm not like in love with anything, that's for sure. We'll see though. I'm still like looking at CODX here. ADIL is just hammering down. Look at ADIL, be careful. Look at this. So that one looks very, very weak. So just be careful. I'm kind of looking at IDT here, but we're going to wait for it. AMTX, guys. Look at AMTX NBY. NBY looks strong. All right, I'm in NBY here, catching this rip. I gotta try to get out of some of it here. All right, so we just got out of half on NBY on the break. Still holding 205 shares left. I don't know why I bought that weird share size, but still got 200 shares left, but not really what I'm loving here. We'll see if it holds over 85. That pre-market high is what we want to see it over. We want to see it hold over this. And so I think we can either add back on the dip, add here 85, or we could just bail out if it can't hold. I'm also looking at SYN here for a rip up here. And like, I'll add some back if it starts to break 87 cents again, looking for that dollar push for NBY. There's 86s again. Let's see if we get a 3-bar play here. Alright, I'm in SYN some as well. Took half off for SYN. Let's see if we get a 3-bar play here, and I'll sell into the strength. I'm gonna get out here. Oh my gosh, man. Not what I wanted. I made a little bit on it. I'm in SYN right now. And I'm just trying to let it break this 32-cent high right here, but we've had mostly greens today. 500 shares. Frustrated with NBY though. It pulled back just in time to stop me out. Or not stop me out, but it pulled back just in time to screw me over. I want to see this over 32. I gotta watch the bid though. Alright, we got out of there for a $10 profit. It might keep going up and we'll maybe buy some more into this one, but alright, we got out with a green trade at least. And we're very green on the day today. We've had 3 green trades so far. Maybe missing out on some, but the ones that it would have been a larger gain. It would have been larger wins today. It's just, they all failed. I mean, none of these really held. It's a tough day for a Friday. And none of these really held, but maybe I should have held a little bit more for this one, but we've made our money. Somebody's telling me... Sorry, we got a lot of people telling me to look at stuff, so hold on one second, guys. AMTX. Where's AMTX? Yeah, no, I called out AMTX. The problem with it, this is the really interesting part of AMTX, okay? So, like, if we're looking at AMTX here, this is the interesting thing, okay? The previous closing price is right here. At 370. 370 is the previous closing price. That means that this stock closed yesterday at 370. And so the interesting thing to watch for this one is it going to hold the previous closing price? So far it has not. And if it breaks under 365, it's going to look super weak here as well. It's going to look really, really weak. And so that's what we're watching here. I'm not super confident in this one unless it holds this 370. And that's what we ultimately want to see for this. And so we're waiting for it. Some few people told me to look at BOXL. I don't see anything right now. BOXL is still below the previous closing price, so I mean it's trying to fight its way back up, but not super hyped about it or anything like that. But honestly, man, it's been a really good week. I've had 4 for 5 green days this week. Only one losing day this whole week. And it's been a really profitable penny stock session so far. So, not too shabby, team. Also, remember, guys, While we got a second, I'm still going to trade today, so don't worry. So don't leave. I'm still going to trade. One thing I am really excited about, though, is that we're going to be starting to stream poker on Twitch. So check out twitch.tv/beginner-trading, because that's where we're going to be trading and playing poker on. We're going to still stream here always, obviously. We're still staying on YouTube, but we will be playing some poker on Twitch this weekend. So twitch.tv/beginner-trading. Go follow me there. But yeah. Also, guys, something else we're doing is that we are... something else we're doing is that the first 15 people this month to AMTX is ripping. So it did hold at that previous closing price. So look, here's AMTX. And it did hold. So now it's interesting to me. And we'll see what happens here. I'm watching it. We'll see about maybe 3-bar play around that 385 level is what we could wait for. But yeah, the first 15 people to become members this month, becoming a member is $4.99 a month. It's just a free way to help support, or it's just a cheap way to help support our content. You know, we're just a free resource and community for traders, so we're not selling anything here. We don't sell a course or a service. We simply just trade live, teach people what works for us, acknowledge that it might not work for them, and we just try to be a free resource for traders to get together and learn off of each other. That's all we're really doing here. And so if you want to support a movement like that, you can become a member. I'm not going to say you're going to get some super secret course for becoming a member, because you're not. It's just it's an easy way to help support our free content is all it is. But the first 15 people this month, I think we had 2 people so far. So the next 13 people to become a member get their own emoji. And so if you become a member, message me on Discord and send me what you want your emoji to be, and you get your own emoji. And so you can use it on stream. Here is my current emoji. Here's me, here's Carol. Carol obviously looks better than me. We're gonna be streaming poker on Twitch, not porn. No. Y'all get y'all's head out of the gutter, man. Poker. IBIO, guys. IBIO is looking okay, and it's a large float stock, but we did get the crossover, and we got the red to green move. If you want to become a member, all you got to do is hit that join button. The join button is right next to the subscribe button. So hit that join button, guys. Looks like I got out of SYN at the right time. I bailed on SYN. I'm looking at IBIO here. This was the dip I should have gotten in at 215. That was it. Problem, though, is the range is so small for this one, man. Such a small range that I don't know if it's worth it. IDT, guys. IDT is one of the most interesting ones right now. This one's edging closer and closer to the highs. Look at this. So look at IDT here. It's right around the highs, 880. Look for that level to break. We might get a 3-bar play here. I gotta figure out what kind of range this thing is. 50 shares, maybe? Over 9 is where we gotta question it. It might pull the 3-bar play, but it might get rejected at 9 right here. But look at IDT. The float, I think, on this one is pretty small. What's the float? Somebody help me out. What's the float on IDT? CODX crashing down. NBY crashing down. So I guess it was good that I got out of it with a little bit of money, huh? AMTX still ripping up at 370s. But watch IDT over this high right here at 888. Look at it up to 9. I would say up to 9 is reasonable. Anything after that, it's a coin flip. Hey, congrats, Abdullah. Oh, no, you didn't. Oh, you said imagine. My bad. 21 mil. Yeah, it's not too bad. It's reasonable of a float. Yeah, I'm just waiting right now, guys. Let me know if you guys see anything else. I don't see nothing right now. AHPI maybe with the crossover right here. Man, the crossover works, man. I'm telling you. Watch AMTX to see if it holds at that previous closing price right here. Twitch.tv/beginner trading. Same thing here, beginner trading. Just go search for beginner trading on Twitch. That's me. I haven't actually streamed anything yet, but yeah. Yeah, well, all right, so let's watch 370 here for AMTX. I wonder if Haywood works by any chance here. Let me see. Please work. Please work, Haywood. Please. CEMI consolidating. Yeah, we'll check it out. I'm gonna restart my laptop and then see if Haywood's gonna work for us. Nah, I think CEMI is done. Maybe it'll rip later, but I think it's probably done, man. Let me restart my computer to see if that works. Did it really, man? I was watching IDT too, man. I talked about it. It's too late, man. Ah, missed it. Too late. Can't find my Twitch. It's twitch.tv/beginner trading. Just type in twitch.tv/beginner trading. That's all you do. Twitch.tv/beginner trading. That's it. Probably DW. Yeah, I missed it. I was. Alright, we're going to try Haywood here, and then we're going to try to use my Kali Linux virtual machine to do the Haywood trader thing and see if that works. If this doesn't work here, we're going to try to switch it out. Maybe we're going to try to use my... Okay, so it did? No, it didn't. Okay. Let me try to use my hotspot from my phone to my laptop, see if that works. Oh, no, you're good, Chase. You're good, brother. Gotcha. Alright, so we're connected to my Galaxy on my phone. I mean, we'll see. Yeah, there's the $9 level. I called it out, guys, so hopefully somebody took advantage of it. I called it exactly what I wanted to happen here. Okay, so yeah, I'm actually finally, I got my Haywood trader to work. I just got on, for some reason my internet is blocking it. But I got Haywood to work, so we're about to just trade on my laptop here. But yeah, if you want more information about the poker streams, just join our Discord. Here, the Discord link is... But yeah, there goes IDT. I should have taken it. I talked about it. Yeah, if you want more information on the poker streams, there's the link. Alright. What else we got? CTIC hammering up here. I called out $9 was my profit target for IDT. I didn't take advantage of it, but I called it out, so maybe you guys got it, but you guys heard me at least. PRPH ripping up. CTIC. Yeah, we're gonna get a little bit of a slowdown. Look at the beautiful 1 minute pullbacks there for those. For some reason, it's my internet that won't let it connect. There goes CTIC though. Watch that. Check it out. Oh man, look at IDT. Nobody remind me about this one, man. Look at this. Look at the 1 minute pullback. And I'm telling you guys, the 1 minute pullback works beautifully either right before or right after a resistance break. Look at this $9 break right here, and then look at this beautiful 1 minute pullback. It's not a 3-bar play. It's different than a 3-bar play. And so this setup that I kind of created here is different than a 3-bar play. What it is that it's a consolidation play, right? And so what happens here is that you get a move either before, you get a little bit of consolidation either before a level break or after a level break. This time it was after a level break. So it broke over 9, it pulled back, held that level as support, and then just ripped up here. A lot of the time 3-bar plays will come in clusters as well. And so you'll see one and then you'll see another one shortly after. So you get the rip over a $9, which is a big psychological level. You get the pullback to it, and then you just get the rip, the hammer up there. Beautiful setup. Worked really, really well. AMTX was never holding $9. Market bouncing a little bit, it seems. I had like another chair or something. Yeah, IDT hammered up there, and it's pulling back to that big $9 support level that we've been talking about all day. Hey, for whoever hit the sub button or whatever the noise was, yeah, Roger, I appreciate that, bro. Welcome, dude. Yeah, CTIC, man, crazy move here. Crazy move. Hey, I appreciate the sub. Mataya, thank you. I appreciate that. Welcome to the team. But yeah, I talked about CTIC before it actually happened, so. I'm in AMD here. My entry is 84.17 on AMD. I'm in with 100 shares, small position size. We're looking for AMD to break over 84.50s here. We're up about $10 or so right now. About break even now, so we're giving this one a little bit of time here. We're watching this pullback. NNOX is showing up here, but we're watching this pullback to $9. We're at 84.13s, 84.15s for AMD. We're watching that. We're watching CTIC here is the biggest move right now. DPW is moving up a little bit. That one doesn't look bad. We're still watching IDT though. Still watching ADIL. There goes IDT pulling and holding that support at $9 here. So it's continuing to move up. Once I finish this AMD trade, I gotta run to the restroom, and then we'll try to find something else. AMTX never pushed up. It's still trying to hold that 370 level. It's underneath it now. Alright, so we're making some money in this AMD trade. Alright, we just took half of the AMD trade off. We're riding it up to 84.50 is the profit target. Up about $20 so far. There's 84.40s. We're gonna get out there. So we made about $20 from that trade on AMD. I'll be right back, guys. I gotta run to the restroom. IDT is not holding here, so we'll be back in 5 minutes. I'm gonna put this up so everybody knows I'm on the restroom break. And we'll be back. Alright, so IDT never really held its gains here. We got LAC, we got C-Bay showing up on the scanners right now. Let me take this bathroom break thing done. Y'all are crazy, by the way. We got C-Bay ripping up over $7. We could watch $7 here for C-Bay and see what happens here. AMD continued. Maybe I should have held a little bit there. Watch HUSA, guys. HUSA looks like it's trying to squeeze up here. HUSA. It's trying to move. Yeah, somebody said DPW ripping. It never did anything here. Y'all are crazy. Yeah, y'all don't want me to start talking about politics. I'm gonna make everybody mad. If I start talking about politics, everybody's about to get mad in here. You know? Which one halted? Which one? PRHP? PRPH is what it is, actually. Yeah, it's falling down. Halted again on the way down. Sketchy, sketchy. Yeah, let's not argue about politics in here, guys. That's not cool. Like, we don't need to argue about that. There's no need. Look, I'm about to make everybody mad. Since everybody wants to argue about politics, let me just say something real quick. Okay? Trump has zero discretion. You know, everybody acting like Trump is God's gift to earth is, like, ridiculous. Trump has zero discretion, right? Trump just pumps himself up. He's the ultimate pumper, right? Zero discretion. Somebody should stop him from, you know, getting on Twitter. Okay? But Biden, on the other hand, is a senile old man. This dude, you can look at his eyes. Listen, my grandfather had Alzheimer's and eventually passed away from Alzheimer's. And when someone starts to go senile, they have a very specific look in their eyes. It's kind of like a dull look in their eyes. And Biden has that look. So Biden is certainly going senile. And the fact that he's the presidential candidate is absolutely ridiculous. Trump's dumb. Biden's dumb. Both of them are dumb. Stop rooting for them like they're your political stop rooting for a presidential candidate like they're your football team here, guys. All right? They're both nonsense. Now get out of there. Y'all want me to talk about politics? Don't bring that stuff here. I'll make everybody mad talking about it, you know. You know, in the end, none of them have your best interest at heart. Trump doesn't. Trump certainly doesn't. Biden certainly doesn't either. And they're both terrible candidates, if you want me to be honest here. None of them are reasonable. None of them are, you know. And if you root for a political party like it's your football team, you are the problem. You are the problem in today's society. Regardless of which side it is, you are the problem. So, now that that's said, we can go back to stock trading. I'm still looking at IDT. It's still trying to hold over $9 here. Yeah, like I said, I go by policies, right? And some of Trump's policies I agree with, and some of them I certainly disagree with. I'm basically right down the middle. I'm socially liberal, almost 100%, and I'm very I'm a capitalist. You know, I'm fiscally conservative in a lot of ways, but I'm not a libertarian either. So you know, be reasonable here. Don't root for a political person. Don't root for a politician like he's your football team here. You know, identity politics is the problem with today's society. 100%. None of it matters. That's right. Hey, I appreciate the sub, G. Welcome, man. Appreciate it. I'm not seeing anything on the scanners. We're watching IDT to see if it holds over 9. Maybe we'll attack it if it does. Yeah, that's what I'm trying here. WWR. But yeah, listen, guys, as a favor to me, let's just not talk about politics anymore. I shouldn't have said anything on it, right? But as a favor to me, let's just move on past it. Look, it's so polarizing. Politics is so polarizing, right? In the end, I don't root for anybody. I just go by who's going to affect my life in the best way, right? Like, that's all I go by. And with that said, I don't think either of them are really going to do anything positive in my life, and so I just rather sit out of this one. But with all that said, let's just talk about stocks, you know. Maybe one day, Todd. I hope we could do the third party, because I would vote for most of the third party candidates too. I think they're the most reasonable, and the fact that the two-party system puts that out there is just nonsense, you know. But yeah, WWR ripping up here. 3-bar play. Somebody talked about it. Here's the 3-bar play right there. It's really a 4-bar play. But again, remember, guys, remember what I said, is that the 3 and 4-bar play is just a consolidation play. Or the 1-minute pullback, the 2-minute pullback, whatever you want to call it. It's just a consolidation play, right? So we get a move up, and then we get a little bit of consolidation under a support or resistance level, and then we just get a rip up. Look at the volume come in on this break here. Look at the volume come in here. 200, 300,000 shares traded. Looks good. So I'm looking at WWR here, but it's been a green day. I haven't lost yet. Yeah, for sure. Hey, I appreciate the subs, guys. Welcome to the team, man. I appreciate the sub. Let's see who did it. How about my clock, man? Haywood wasn't working, so I got this clock working. Hey, I appreciate the sub. Melbert, welcome in. How about my clock, man? My clock's doing things up here, man. It's doing things up here. Still looking at IDT. IDT and WWR are interesting. We'll watch WWR to see if it can hold at 310. We'll watch IDT to see if it can hold at $9. So this is what we're watching. These have recently broken levels. IDT is getting more interesting to me because it does have this range here that we could potentially attack. So we do have this range in between, you know, really 950 and 880. So we do have this range right here that we can wait or play off of. You know, you could dip by it anticipating that we're going to move up eventually. I don't know if we're actually going to get that or not, but we do have this range here between 880 and 950s that we could potentially attack here for IDT. Watching that. Like I said, we got WWR here. But again, no losing trades so far today. And I'll take it, you know. Very green day. No losses yet. And so when I have a day like this where I haven't lost at all, I just take it slow. I tread slowly. Alright, well, what's up, the future man? Yeah, there's a small delay on the stream. There has to be. And anybody that streams trade ideas has to have the delay. If they don't, then they're breaking the trade ideas rules. NIO. Yeah, NNOX is showing up on the scanners. NNOX, so we're watching that one too. I don't hate this one. It's a big range. It's moving a lot, basically. And we had some nice little red to green moves. Again, though, the 3-bar play is just shown to be very, very profitable. So, like, again, you know, we'll see if it does it here. We got 34. So we got 34 here. So we ripped over 34. And now we are in another minute. So here's one pullback on this red candle. We'll see if we rip up and break that high. But that's the 1 minute pullback setup. We'll see if it actually works here for 34 as a consolidation play. Look, there's the break. Yeah, there it is. Over, there's the squeeze up. So it works super well. There's 34.60. We'll see if it holds over 34.50s now. Let it consolidate, see if it continues. It looks strong. Yeah, they're saying they're asymptomatic though, that Trump and Melania are asymptomatic. So yeah, this one actually failed, the 3-bar play or the 1-minute pullback play. I haven't really tested it on expensive stocks like this though, and it doesn't actually fail it until it breaks this low down here at 33.80. And so if it breaks 33.80, it failed it. But until then, it's just kind of working a little bit. So we'll see if this actually works or not. What's the music, bro? Epidemic sounds. Yeah, listen, guys. Fridays are historically my worst day in the market. My worst day in the market are Fridays. Fridays, less people are trading. Think about it. Some people go on vacation. Some people go on weekend trips. Less volume is in the market. And so when you have less volume, you have less momentum to fulfill the patterns and strategies that you're trading, right? And so what you want to understand, if you're a new trader and you're trying to kind of grasp all of this stuff, right? You're trying to kind of grasp what's going on with the market and like why the market's like this. Think about it like this, okay? Technical analysis, basically historical chart patterns and the way stocks move based off of technical levels is a self-fulfilling prophecy. So it's self-fulfilling. And so if one person thinks a stock is going to break out at a certain level, and then another person sees that same level and thinks the stock's going to break out, then the more people that are buying it at that specific level causes the stock to break out. You know, so everybody says, I think the stock's going to break out at that specific level. Everybody thinking that causes the stock to break out because they're all buying at that specific level. And so technicals in trading are self-fulfilling. Now, with that said, the more people watching for a specific pattern or strategy, the better it's going to have with momentum, right? I see some guy, some guru, I'm not going to say who or what or whatever it is, but he's like, you just want to do the exact opposite of what everybody does. That's nonsense, man. That is actually the exact opposite of what you want to do. You want to do what everybody else is doing because that's where the momentum is going to be, right? The more people that see a solid support level, the more people that watch a solid support level, the more people that are ultimately going to buy it at that support level and cause the stock to move up. Trading is one of those few things for the most part. Now, there are reversal strategies and squeezes that you can take advantage of, but trading for the most part is trying to copy what everybody else is doing. You know, it's self-fulfilling in that way. And so on days like Friday, when we have less volume in the market, when less people are watching for specific levels and trends and patterns and strategies, it's going to be harder to have your patterns fulfill because there's less volume to come in and fulfill it, if that makes sense. And so point is, slow it down on Fridays is usually going to be a smart move because there's less people to trade and there's less people to fulfill your strategies. All right, IDT, guys. IDT. Yeah, this one failed that 3-bar play or that 1-minute pullback. But IDT, I'm watching for this range still. We're keeping an eye on it. We'll see what happens here, but we're watching for it. AMTX tanked. DPW tanked. CEMI tanked. CEMI just broke under the previous close, so it's looking weak. Still watching this one here. Look, here's a little 3-bar play. A 1-minute pullback. Yeah, IDT. Look, here's the break of that range. Look, over 950s. Look at that range break right here. I mean, you could trade on a Friday, but you just want to be more careful. Like A+ setups. Like I've traded today and I haven't lost today. And so I'm not saying you can't make money on Fridays. What I'm saying though is that on average, patterns are going to be less voluminous. They're going to have less follow through. And so if you're trading momentum breakouts on a Friday, it's going to be harder because there's just less people to fulfill the patterns, you know. Yeah, there's the IDT. I called out this one too. I didn't take it. Yeah, there's the break. So I called this pattern break. I don't know why. I just kind of froze here. I guess I got into my rant about technical analysis. But I called out this pattern. If you guys have been here for the last 20 minutes, you heard me call this out. This is the range I called out. Look when this range actually breaks. And this is one of the easiest ways you can profit in the market. It's just by understanding these type of ranges and then simply waiting for the ranges to break. You know, a really nice thing to enter here would be this little 1 minute pullback right here. Getting in a little bit early, anticipating this break would have been a really nice little entry there for the 1 minute pullback, but I didn't end up taking it. It's all right. But it gives me confidence. What I said happened, or what I thought would happen happened. So, and you guys heard me call this one out on stream. So it is what it is, you know. We'll see what else today brings us. But yeah, certainly worked. Yeah, well, that's investing, right? Fearful when others are greedy and greedy when others are fearful is an investing strategy. Basically, buy the dip. And buying the dip and investing certainly works. Value investing as well certainly works. And there's a lot of... I'll put it this way, right? People don't understand this, but if you're thinking about getting involved in day trading, so IDT still moving up to $10, but if you're thinking about getting involved in day trading, you want to understand that the shorter term the investing is, the worse it's going to work, the harder it's going to be, the less chance you'll have of actually succeeding. So like with day trading being very, very short term, most people are going to fail at day trading because it's extremely difficult, right? Now, to look at the other side, most people are going to be able to succeed in long-term investing. And I mean long-term, like holding a stock for 10 years, researching healthy companies, and then just holding it for 10 years. You're almost guaranteed to profit there. Not, you know, you're not guaranteed to profit, but it's pretty close. Like most people are going to be successful long-term investing, and most people are going to fail at day trading. Look at the 3-bar play, 1 minute pullback. This was a 3-bar play here, but look at that beautiful setup. But yeah, most people are ultimately going to fail at investing or at short-term day trading. And so you want to understand what you're getting involved with day trading. It's very difficult. Most people are going to lose. No, you're good, bro. Paul, sometimes you need to kind of, you know, sometimes you gotta celebrate your wins, brother. And there's nothing wrong with celebrating your wins, man. The only people that get mad at you for celebrating your wins are people that are losing. You know, 100%. There's nothing wrong with celebrating your wins. We all gotta brag or celebrate a little bit sometimes. And if you've worked hard at something, it's okay to do so. You know what I mean? Now, if you're just trying to make other people feel bad, it's different, but you clearly aren't. And there's nothing wrong with celebrating your wins, you know? The only people that are gonna critique you for that, or criticize you for that, I should say, are people that are losing, you know? And like I said, guys, if you want to help support our free content, we do this live for free every single day. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, click the bell, turn on notifications, and then look at IDT holding at that previous 950 level. So we'll watch it for the 3-bar play over this now. We'll watch it and see. It's a little bit extended, I think, at this point, though. CTIC. Yeah, man, CTIC is hammering up. Wow. CTRC. I don't know why I missed that one. But look at this. Look at CTIC. He's right. CTIC is pumping up big here. There's 299s. What I was going to say, though, guys, is if anybody wants to become a member, it's $4.99 a month. The next 13 people to become a member, we've already had 2 become a member this month, but the next 13 people to become a member, by clicking the join button next to the subscribe button, get their own emoji, their own custom emoji. So you can make it a picture of you. You can make it anything you want, really. Here's mine. But the next 13 people to become a member get their own emoji. And so, yeah, click that join button. Becoming a member is $4.99 a month on this channel. You get custom emojis. You get to use my emoji, Carol emoji, whatever emojis you want to use. And then it's a great way to help support our completely free content. Because really all we're trying to do here is we're just trying to create a free resource for traders to get involved with. A free resource for traders to hang out at. We don't charge anything for content or anything like that. And so becoming a member is strictly just a way to help support our completely free day trading content. And so again, if you want to become a member, you just click the join button next to the subscribe button. Here's the join button right here. This join button right here, guys. Great way to help support us. Yeah, I mean, COVID certainly affected the market. I don't know what kind of COVID you're talking about. I don't know if you're talking about like Trump getting it or what the deal was, but like if you look at long term, COVID certainly affected the market. This is the drop from COVID, and we're back from it. Yeah, Carol's emoji does make us all look bad, man. Yeah, here's Carol's. It does. Oh, I got you, Sandy. My bad, brother. Yeah, my bad, man. IDT still ripping up. Maybe I should have taken that last little 3-bar play there. There's 10. Man. There's the rip for IDT. I got you, Sandy. What's your Discord? Oh, are you Alan? My bad, brother. Yeah. I'll check it out. Yeah, let me try it. I can try it now, maybe. Let me see. IDT. Yeah, we live stream every day. Yeah, every day we're here. Do you have the actual script that I can check out? Or is there a way to, okay, I got it. Never mind. Do you have the actual script? Oh, okay, I got you. You're my bad. Set up open shared item. I got you. Let me see. There we go. Import. Okay. Alright, so we're trying out Alan's new script here. Let's try it. Wait, where's it at? It's under a study, right? I think script study have been saved from. Hey, I appreciate the sub, Sathaya. Welcome to the team. I appreciate that. Remember to guys, hit that subscribe button, click the bell. Alright, so IDT didn't actually hold here. I don't know how. I'm trying. I'm trying to go here. Here's studies. It should be somewhere in here. Yeah, I'm trying. Let me see. Studies. We're gonna go to edit studies. Is it the potential cross? Is that the name of it? Is that the name of it? Potential cross? Let's get that out of here. Hey, what's up, Tyrell? What's up, bro? I start trading every day at about 7:30. Or 8:30 market time. About 8:30 market time. Yeah, is there a way you could just send me the script itself? Because like I said it and I opened shared item, but it didn't work. So somebody made a crossover script, Tyrell. And so I'm trying to see if it's gonna work. NBY is starting to kind of try to reverse here. Same thing with DPW. LAC. I mean, I think they said they were asymptomatic, Bobby, but I'm not 100% sure. Oh, okay, cool. Alright, I got you. So it's kind of like the MACD in this way. That's pretty cool, man. Hey, that's pretty nice, man. I appreciate that. Look at that. It shows bullish. Green is bullish, and so it shows bullish run up. And then red is bearish, and so when you get the crossover, look, and it even identifies the crossover. Hey, that's pretty dope, man. I appreciate that. That's really cool. That's really cool, man. Thank you, Alan. That's pretty cool, man. Yeah, and if you guys want the same script, I'll post it right now to our Discord. I'll just post the actual script to our Discord. So if y'all want the script, just join our Discord. I'm gonna post it under Thinkorswim script. Oh, he already did it. Nice. Yeah, here's the script. Oh, I guess he got it. Let me delete that. So yeah, Alan just posted it to the script, to Thinkorswim script in our Discord. Here's the Discord link if you want to check it out. pretty cool though, Alan. Shout out to Alan, man. That's pretty dope. Hey, y'all also go check out my man Trader Mike's Discord. He's got a super active penny stock Discord too. So if you want to go check out Trader Mike's, here's the link for Trader Mike's. They got a lot of great traders that hang out in there every single day talking about what's moving, biggest moves of the market, why they're moving, so forth and so on. Just a really active penny stock Discord. So y'all go check out my man Trader Mike's Discord. Here's the link for that. I suggest you join both of these Discords. They're both completely free. I'm all green, Bobby. No losses. So no losses today so far in anything. I traded. What did I trade today? I traded NBY for the moving average crossover break. I traded. What else did I trade today? I got an NBY. I traded. What did I trade today? I traded NBY. Oh, okay. I traded NBY, CEMI. And SYN, and I am up about $20, $20-something. All right, so engineer. So if you want to input the script onto Thinkorswim, what you do is you go to Studies and you go to Edit Studies, and so you go to Study, Edit Studies. You go to Create at the bottom left. You're gonna see a Create option. You click that. You basically copy and paste the script into there. So you click Create, you copy and paste the script, you delete everything and you copy and paste the script into the ThinkScript editor, and then you just click OK, and then you click Apply right here and it'll pull it up like this. That's really cool though, man. Like, look at this. It shows you where the crossover was. In our Discord, you just go to the Thinkorswim script share, or Thinkorswim scripts, all the way at the bottom in the education section of our Discord. And then you can see Alan just posted it. But yeah, like I said, another shout out to Alan. Him and Trade Archer have been really dropping some dope scripts for us. So shout out to them. They've been helping out the channel for sure. Yeah, I mean, we're just chilling right now. It's a little bit slow. Yeah, no worries. What's up, Anthony? I've been trading for 4 years, 3-4 years. I mean, I've used multiple different platforms in trading. You know, last year, overall in trading, I've probably made about 10K, give or take. So, I mean, I'm not like doing this full time for a living yet, but I am profitable. And I stream live every day if you guys want to watch. We're just a free resource and community for traders. Don't forget, guys, hit that subscribe button, team. We do this live every single day for free. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel here. We're still waiting to see anything. GHSI, rip it over highs here. It's at 27 cents. So GHSI. But like I said, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, guys. Also, you can become a member for $4.99 a month. It's a great way to help support our free content here. And you get your own emoji. You just send me a picture of whatever you want your emoji to be. You can use your emoji anytime in the stream. So become a member, guys. Hit that $4.99 a month. Hit that join button, team. Hey, my man MYO. Hey, MYO, man. I see that's you. I also want to thank you, bro, because I saw that you became a member, but I also saw that you pledged $20 a month on my Patreon, man. So, my boy, thank you, bro. I appreciate that, man. Also, welcome to the team, bro. Thank you for becoming a member as well. But like I said, big thanks to the $20 Patreon donation, man. I appreciate that, brother. I've never seen you say much, so I didn't know how to thank you for it, but I appreciate that, man. There you are. What's up, bro? BBBY, Bed Bath & Beyond. But yeah, thanks again, MIO. You the man, bro. Appreciate the love, bro. Like I said, if you want your own emoji, just join our Discord, send me a message, and just I'm gonna have to check it to make sure there's, you know what I mean, to make sure it's like reasonable as an emoji. But yeah, if you want your own emoji, bro, just send it to me on Discord, and I got you, man. I'll give you your own emoji. Also, guys, let's try to break 200 likes today if we can. We still got 217 people in here. It's almost 11 o'clock market time. Y'all hit that like button, guys. Do it now. Click the bell. Turn on notifications. Let's pump up this stream real quick. Let me sell out real quick. Hit that like button, guys. SLDB. Yeah, XTNT, yeah, I mean, it's right around there. It's just looking weak. It's been weak the last few minutes. SLDB? Yeah, SLDB, which is Solid Biosciences. It's starting to rip up. Look at the crossover happen here, and then look at the squeeze up. Up to almost $4 here. What's the float for this one? I don't see the float, but it's testing 4 now. Let's watch it around $4 here for SLDB. But yeah, shout out to Name Beat, all the subs today. We got a bunch of subs, a bunch of likes. I appreciate the support, team. ADMA. Yeah, ADMA is starting to squeeze up. Small range for this one. I mean, this one's only moved 10 cents. Like, this whole range right here, all of this movement is only 10 cents. Like, that's only 10 cents. Just not enough for me. Too slow. Yeah, a lot of people have been saying LAC too. Slow grind up for this one. And then we're finally getting a big squeeze here, but it looked really strong. Hey, I appreciate that. MYO. Thank you, man. I appreciate that. But yeah, thanks Mako, 24 million, and that was SLDB, right? SLDB's got 24 mil. I might remove this study for now, just because it makes it a little bit hard to analyze the support and resistance. I'll probably use it for the opening bell though, because I think it'll be really useful there. Richard, that's the new script, man. So the new script is Alan in the Discord dropped that script on it. So it's a new script for ThinkScript. That'll do it. Just go check out our Discord. Look at the Thinkorswim script section of our Discord. All right, so here's a little 1 minute pullback for SLDB here. We'll see if it actually holds or what happens here. I think $4 is above it, so we're gonna see if that holds or breaks. I got you. Invest in my mixtape? I was going to tell him to go sub to your channel, J Money, but I don't see any videos. Hey, see ya, Alan. Have a good day, brother. I appreciate that again, man. Thank you for that script. SPWR. So it is it's a study that tells you when the moving averages cross over or under each other and the subsequent sentiment, either bullish or bearish with it. Yeah, SPWR pushing up some. Small range, though. Shit. GHSI pulling back a little bit. I think it's an interesting dynamic to see if it holds at 25 cents here. $quarter, big psychological level for it. See if it holds at that 25 cents. See if it bounces off of the VWAP. We got the VWAP there. We got 25 cents as support. So we'll see if it holds there. I don't hate it. SPR? This gotta be it. Yeah, this is it, huh? Spirit Airlines? I don't know, man. We back. Sorry guys, I don't know why my internet just croaked on me. But we're back. Like I said, we ain't gonna let the stream die. We're back, but Yeah, my internet acting funny, guys. I'm probably done for the day. I'm gonna go ahead and close it down. I appreciate all the love, team. I really do. Thank you guys for everybody that became a member of the channel here. We're getting a little bit of a lag in the video stream and all that stuff, and so we're gonna go ahead and close this bad boy down. There we go. I mean, we're working fine, but I'm gonna go ahead and close it down. Like I said, guys, we will be streaming some Twitch poker. Check out Beginner Trading on Twitch. Go to Beginner Trading and follow me. Hit that follow button on Twitch. We are going to be streaming some poker this weekend, probably on Sunday, and we might be kind of getting everybody together and doing a little bit of a meetup game too, so it should be fun. Like I said, if you want to be a part of that, if you want to watch me, hit me up and follow me on Twitch. It's at Beginner Trading. Like I said, we're gonna go ahead and get out of here, guys, so good luck. I love you all. Have a good day. Appreciate the support, team. Have a good weekend. We'll see you guys tomorrow. We'll have a video that's dropping tomorrow morning, and then we got some stuff coming out on Tuesday or on Sunday and all that good stuff. So y'all go follow me on Twitch. If you want to help support your boy here, y'all go check out the Toro Challenge. Toro Challenge is subscription based. You can check that out. Here's the link for that. If you use our promo code London10, you get 10% off. Basically, it's a funded account program similar to TradeNet. There's some subtle differences, but there's the link for that. You can use London10, get 10% off. You could also go check out TradeNet if you're overseas. You can check out TradeNet. The way it works is an educational package. It's $350 or $400. I don't know if it's $350 or $400. It's one of those. Once you're approved for the funded account, you get $14,000 to trade with no PDT rule, day trading and shorting ability. There's a 70-30 split, so if you make $1,000, you get to keep 700. They get to keep 300. Once you're approved for the funded account program, that is, it's an educational package, and they did process my withdrawal, so I have withdrawn money from them. They no longer accept U.S. clients, unfortunately, so they only accept clients that are overseas or in Canada, Mexico, Europe, not in the U.S., but they did process my withdrawal, and so if you're not in the U.S. and you want to find a funded account program, you can check them out. Not a bad package and program. There's the link for that. You can also go check out Trade Ideas, which are the best scanners, in my opinion, in the market right now. Really dope scanners, super versatile. You can use my promo code BT15 to get 15% off of Trade Ideas scanners. Here's the link for that. And yeah, guys, good luck. Have a good day. Hit that like button. We'll see you guys later.